Guys, Jacob1 here, and today I'm gonna do an unboxing from CubeGG. So let's open the box. I think I open it from here. Okay, so today I'm gonna be unboxing the new GTS 2M and the G Valk. I'm very excited for this unboxing, so let's unbox them. So yeah, so we have the Wellon GTS 2M and the Valks. As you can see, the box is a little bit beaten up, so yeah, this isn't a problem, I think. So yeah, I think I'm gonna unbox first the Valk. Okay, I finally got it to unbox it. So as you can see here, it's the cube, it's wrapped, and these are little papers, pamphlets, and I think it has a paper, a QR code. I'm not gonna scan it, and we have two other QR codes, much back. So we have a written statement, I think, from him, and a sticker. So let's move it all to the side, and let's go to the cube. Okay, yeah, I think I'm not gonna need that. Okay, so yeah, the cube is really light, as you can see, and I see the colors are very good. Yeah, so let's do first turn. Okay, so the cube is very smooth. Yeah, also it has lube outside, but I'll go and wipe it off. Okay, so yeah, the tensions are very tight right now, so I have to loosen them. So the corner cutting is about 45 degrees at this tension, and the reverse is about, it's very good, about 2/3 of a piece. So yeah, let's see the color scheme. So okay, the white is white, the yellow is bright, and yeah, I like very much the green and the orange. So yeah, I like it very much, the Valk. It's my first Valk. Okay, now let's move to the Wellon GTS 2. Okay, so it comes wrapped, and the Valk didn't came wrapped because it's a cheaper cube. Okay, so this is also a little bit beaten up, as you can see here, but this isn't a problem. So yeah, I know this is magnetic box, so yeah. Okay, so I open the box and I see the cube, a little paper, and another paper, and I think that under this is a pamphlet. No, there are some magnets. Pretty cool. So this is the stand for the cube, I think. I will never need that. I will never use that. Okay, so let's move it all to the side and see the cube. So, and this cube comes wrapped, as you can see. So yeah, it has a different feeling from the Volk. Yeah, as you can see, it's really, basically it's medium tensions. So yeah, yellow is more fluorescent, I think, from the Volk, but the other colors, I think they pretty match as the orange. It's pretty the same. So let's do first turns. Okay, so this cube out of the box, it's very smooth and controllable. Also, yeah, I feel the magnets, but I don't know how to describe it the best. So it kinda clicks into place right here, and yeah, so let's see the corner cutting. It's yeah, over past the 45 degrees. And the reverse is about 2/3 of a piece, just like the Volk. So let's see the color scheme. So yeah, the yellow is fluorescent, the white is white, the blue is sky blue, the green is classic. So yeah, as I said before, this is very smooth, and I don't feel the magnets such as my Wellon GTS M. But as you can see, it's very good. Also, you can hear it. It has a great corner cutting. It has a great color scheme. Yeah. So this was, guys, the unboxing. I hope you liked, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.